The conflict between Iran, the United States, and Israel has been raging across the Middle East, right? Missiles, drones, and airstrikes, they have already struck cities, military bases in the Gulf. But now a different kind of fear is emerging. A possibility that the confrontation could move thousands of kilometers away directly onto the American soil. Welcome to TimesXP's war coverage. It's me, retaliatory. And recent intelligence discussions in Washington suggest that Iranian strategists could consider unconventional responses if the conflict continues to escalate. After heavy strikes reportedly hit several Iranian locations, including the capital Tehran, analysts believe that Iran might look for the ways to retaliate that do not rely on missiles or any traditional battlefield weapon. Well, this is where the big concern grows. Security officials in the United States are reportedly examining scenario in which Iran or group, the Houthi group or Hezbollah group, might attempt action inside the US itself. Now, these could include cyber attacks targeting critical infrastructure, attempts to disrupt the financial system, or activities carried out by individuals who support the Iranian interest. Well, in intelligence language, such individuals, they are sometimes described as lone actors or sympathizers, people who operate independently but they are motivated by their ideology, Iran's ideology. In fact, another concept often described in security circles is the idea of sleeper cell. This term refers to operatives who live very quietly inside a country for a very long period of time without taking any action, blending into normal society until and unless they receive instruction. While there is no confirmed evidence, though, of active Iranian sleeper cell network launching attacks in the US today, but law enforcement agencies, they consistently monitor potential threat, specifically during period of geopolitical tension. Well, the agency most responsible for internal security in the US is Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI, which works alongside the Department of Homeland Security to track the possible threats. These agencies, they analyze the intelligence report, monitor suspicious cyber activity, and cooperate with international partners to detect the early warning signs of planned operations. In fact, cyber warfare is another area drawing attention here. Iran has invested heavily in cyber capabilities over the past decade. Iranian-linked hacker group, they have previously been accused by Western government of targeting banks, energy companies, and government network. And of course, in modern conflict, a cyber attack, it can sometimes be as destructive as a missile strike, shutting down power grid, interrupting financial system, disrupting communication network. They can cause widespread chaos without a single shot being fired. And also, there is a bigger geopolitical dimension to this discussion. Iran has long built networks of allied groups across the Middle East. Well, these partners sometimes described as axis of resistance. It includes organizations that operate in different countries, and they can put a lot of pressure on the US allies and interest worldwide. While these groups are mostly active in the Middle East, but their influence, it can affect the global security calculation. In the end, in Washington, policymakers, they are therefore looking for wider spectrum of possibilities, from cyber operations to disinformation campaign, an isolated act by extremist supporter. Importantly, officials stress that awareness does not mean an attack is imminent. Here, intelligence agencies, they regularly analyze the worst case scenario in order to prevent them.